Welcome to AskTERRA. This quick video will show you what you need to know to get the most out of the platform. Let's jump right in. AskTERRA combines conversational AI, Redcastle Resources' decades of expertise in algorithms, and Google Earth Engine to give you instant access to Earth observation data. No complex programming required. AskTERRA supports two main types of analysis. Number one, change detection between two dates from 1984 to just a few days ago, using Landsat and Sentinel-2 satellite data. And number two, weather and risk forecasting up to 10 days in the future using Google DeepMind's WeatherNext. Change detection can be related to forest health, snowpack levels, urban development, fire events, agricultural health, and much more. Weather and risk forecasting includes global wind speed, temperature, precipitation, and tree blowdown risk, with fire and flood risk modeling coming soon. When you start AskTERRA, you'll see a chat box at the bottom. Just type your requests here using natural language. You can specify an event or location in your request, or click this icon to use the map extent. When you submit your request, AskTERRA interprets it and runs the analysis, displaying the outputs in the map on the right and providing an explanation of the outputs on the left. You can explore the data on the map by panning and zooming and toggling layers on and off, which in the case of our change detection analysis here includes the before image, after image, and the change detected between the two. You can adjust each layer's opacity to tune the visualization to your liking. You can enable the legend and use some basic measurement tools. You can ask a question about the current data, or adjust the parameters of the analysis, like changing the sensitivity threshold of the index. At any point, you can scroll through your conversation history and open up any maps that were produced earlier, so your work is never lost. Access your previous conversations, or start a new one at any point. Use the share feature to send a link to other AskTERRA users that lets them view your conversation and explore your outputs. They can even pick up where you left off and continue the analysis on their own. You can also generate a PDF report of the analysis. Just navigate the map to the location you'd like to include in the report and click the PDF button in the toolbar. The report includes the pre-image, the post-image, and the change detection layer, as well as some information about the index used in the analysis and the distribution of values. To export data from AskTERRA for use in a GIS, there are a couple of options. The first is to export a GeoTIFF. You can export up to 500,000 hectares at a time. The second option is to copy the tile service URL and add it as a tile service layer in your GIS. Your AskTERRA subscription uses Cloud Data Units, or CDUs, to power the intensive computations behind the conversational AI and Google Earth Engine analyses. If you are careless, you can burn through your CDUs faster than you may like. So here are some easy tips for getting the most out of them. Number one, be specific when possible. You'll avoid burning extra CDUs on rerunning analyses. Number two, When you're exploring outputs in the map, turn off any layers you're not actively exploring, like the before and after images from a change detection. This will reduce the amount of CDUs used to stream data into the map. Number 3, if you or your organization already has a subscription to Google Earth Engine, you can sign in with your account. This will redirect Earth Engine usage to your existing Google account and billing, so analyses won't consume your ASKTERRA CDUs. Some minor features, though, like exporting GeoTIFFs and generating PDF reports, will still use some CDUs. The remaining CDUs on your account are displayed here, and you can track your usage in the dashboard. And that's what you need to get started with ASKTERRA. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.